Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sylvie Putria Zahra with identification number is 22 10 93 20 and 13. This video is an assignment from the Word System Design and Measurement course. I will explain the control room design that I designed using the SketchUp application. The analysis that can be obtained based on screen. Display the result of the control room workstation that has been designed. The data used as size reference is anthropometric data from Industrial Engineering batch 22. The control room workstation consists of chair and a control table. The result of anthropometric data processing of the control table as follows. The first table height. Table height use the dimension of elbow height is a sitting position plus knee height. Designing table height using the 50 percentile. The 50 percentile will make it easier for operator with shoulders bodies to have difficulty, and those with tailor bodies will not have to work in a bend position. The original size was found to be 71 and remained 75.590 centimeter after editing allowance of 4. And the next is the length of the table. Use the dimension of the length of the arm span to the side with an allowance of 4 centimeter and the fifth percentile. The fifth percentile is used because it takes into account the operator who will use the control table. So that operator will shoulder hand can reach the edge of the table more easily. The original size was found to be 148 and the size was 152 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the last part in table is the weight of the table. The weight of the table use the dimension of the length of the hand span to the front with all allowance size of 4 and percentile 5. So that operator with a hand reach to the front with tends to be shoulders can reach more easily. The original size was found to be 63 centimeter and the size was 67 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the next part in the room control is anthropometric data processing for chair is follows. The first is the height of the chair base. The height of the chair base use the popliteal height dimension with an allowance of 4 centimeter and percentile of 50. Percentile 50 is used so that the height of the chair base is sufficient for the leg of operator with bodies that tend to be tall and the leg of the operator with bodies that tend to be short don't hang too much. The original size is 39 centimeter and 43 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the next is the length of the seat base. The length of the seat base use the popliteal length dimension with an allowance of 0 and a percentile of 50, so that the seat base can be used comfortability by all operator. The original size is 44.7 centimeter and remains 44 after editing the allowance of null. And the next is the weight of the seat base. The weight of the seat base use heat weight dimension with an allowance 31 centimeter and a percentile of 95 percentile is used so that the seat base can be a comfortable seat base for all operator. The original dimension are 44 centimeter and 75 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the next is the arms. The armrest uses elbow height dimension is in sitting position with an allowance of 0 and a percentile of 50. The 50 percentile is used so that the armrest can be used comfortability by all operator. And the next is the backrest height. The backrest height use the shoulder height dimension is an sitting position with an allowance of 4 and percentile of 95, so that the size of the chair back is sufficient to support operator who tend to be taller. The original size is 63 and measure 67 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the last part in the chair is the weight of backrest used shoulder. And the last part is weight of the backrest. A weight of the backrest use the shoulders width dimension with an allowance of 31 centimeter and a percentile of 95, so that the backrest can be used comfortable by operator with board shoulder. The original size is 55 and measure 86 centimeter after editing the allowance. And the next is anthropometric data processing for monitor is as follow. The first is monitor placement height, just a monitor placement height. Monitor placement height use a height dimension in a sitting position with an allowance of 2 and percentile of 50. The 50 percentile is used so that the monitor can be seen comfortability by all operator. Original size is 73 centimeter and 75.48 centimeter after editing the allowance. And this is the design of the chair in the control room with dimension. And this is the design of the table in the control room. And the layout used in making this control room is I shape because the operator work only at the control table. That's all my explanation about control room that I designed by application. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.